Hey, what's going on? This is Mike Garvey, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. But before we continue, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell, because I'll be creating more content just like this, showing you how to create passive income online, and you don't want to miss it. So let's get started. All right, so the first step into doing affiliate marketing on YouTube is we need to have an offer. We need to have a product, something that you're going to promote so that you can earn a commission from. And if you don't already have one, then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to jump right here into Google to find an actual offer. So the first thing you're going to actually do is you want to type in a general topic plus affiliate marketing program or affiliate program. So for example, a general topic would be something that is in your niche. So we'll go with dog training. Dog training affiliate programs. And what you're going to actually want to do is you want to go ahead and find through these searches, say for example, this blog or this post right here from affiliate or authority hacker. The 10 best training affiliate programs to join. So right here they're going to have a list of the best dog training affiliate programs. So what you want to actually go ahead and do is go through the list and click on the different links that they have in here. So say for example, we chose this one, brain training for dogs. Here's a link to the site. They pay commission of 75% and their cookie duration is 60 days. So all we'll do is we'll click on that, and then we'll go ahead and sign up to the affiliate program right here. And when you do that, you're going to have to enter in some personal information, some tax related information, things like that. But you want to follow whatever the rules are the steps that they have in place for that particular affiliate program, and sign up for the affiliate program that way. The next way you can find an affiliate program on Google is doing a brand name plus affiliate program. So say for example, you know specifically that there is a company or product that you want to become an affiliate of. So for this example, we will say like ClickFunnels. So what we'll do is we'll type in ClickFunnels affiliate program. And here we go straight to the source. ClickFunnels affiliate sign up. So you go directly to the product that you want to promote, and you go sign up for their affiliate program that way. So for example, this one, if you're a user of ClickFunnels, then you're automatically an affiliate. But if you're not a ClickFunnels user, then you can log into your affiliate account right here, or go through the process of trying to actually sign up for it wherever it is on this page. But either way, if you know of a product that you actually want to go ahead and promote, then you can go ahead and type in whatever that product is and affiliate program, and you can go straight to their affiliate program sign up page on their particular website. All right, so the third option right here is you can actually go to a marketplace that has a ton of affiliate products, and all you have to do is choose the category, the niche, or whatever it is that you're interested in promoting. So a big example for a marketplace with a ton of affiliate programs is ClickBank. So all you really need to do is come to clickbank.com, and if you don't already have an account, then you're going to want to go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to log in really quick. All right, so now that I'm logged in, and after you've actually signed up, this will be your home page or whatnot. And what you're going to want to actually go ahead and do is head up here to Marketplace, because this is where we're going to find different affiliate offers. And so right here on the left, you see all these different categories that you can find products in that you can actually promote. So what I will do is, let's say for example, I want to go ahead and let's go into health and fitness. All right, so let's say I want to find a product in the health and fitness niche. So you have all these different options right here. And what I tend to look at is the average conversions. So this is what I could possibly make per sale. So it's not guaranteed, but you know, if I'm going to make a sale, then I want to make the most that I can. So I'll look and see how much they're paying out in commission. What's the average conversion amount? And then what you want to actually do is pay attention to the gravity score as well. The higher this number, that means the more popular that this product is. And if it's very popular, that means a lot of people are finding success in using this particular product and converting and making sales. So you want to pay attention to how much you're getting paid out on and the gravity score. So typically the higher the gravity score, the more solid the product is, which means it converts better and there's more people that are promoting it. So all you need to do, and what we'll do is we'll settle on this one right here, this one called XCPure. So once we settled on that, we'll take a look at the affiliate page just to see what this is all about. This is their affiliate page where they break down the offer, how much you can earn in commission, and all that good stuff. You can go through all of this and it'll tell you how to actually get your affiliate link. So you can enter the information to right here and it'll pop up an affiliate link for you. And it has all these different email templates that you can use in your efforts to actually promote this particular product. What I am going to do is, typically, if you want to go ahead and promote, you can just tap this promote button and you'll create what is called a hop link. This is your affiliate link. And then what you will do is you'll create the hop link. And then this right here at the bottom is your particular affiliate link. And we're going to go ahead and copy that right now. And once you have your affiliate link, there's something else you're going to want to go ahead and do, because as you can see, that's a very long URL. So what we're going to do is we're going to shorten it. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so here we are at a site called Bitly, and all this is going to do is shorten out your affiliate link to something that's more pleasing to the eye. So as you can see right here, nobody wants to look at this as a link. Nobody's going to trust this because this looks crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste it in there, and they're going to hit shorten. And we see how it has shortened itself to this right here. And now what we're going to do is copy that link. All right, so now that we found our offer and we've already signed up for the affiliate product, now we want to go ahead and focus on creating content so that people can see what it is that we have to offer. And in order to do that, we have to do some keyword research. And so the two things you're actually going to focus on when it comes to keyword research is how-to content and review content. You can also sprinkle in like verses, like this product versus that product. You can make content around that. But the two main ones is going to be how-to and reviews. So let's jump over to my screen real quick, and we're going to go over, I'm going to show you some examples of those two types of searches. All right, so here we are right here on my YouTube screen. And what we're going to want to do is, say for example, we want to go ahead and say we're promoting ClickFunnels, okay? It's a very simple product, it's a very popular product, all right? So ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder. So what would your potential customers be searching for that would lead them to your offer? Well, obviously, if they're going to consider ClickFunnels, that means they're in the market for a sales funnel builder. So maybe they might want to know how to build a sales funnel. So let's try that out. All right, so here we are with how to build a sales funnel. So there's a few things I want to focus on right here on this screen that you're seeing right now. So you want to pay attention to the top 3 or 4 videos in the search result. But then if you look over onto this side right here, I have this plugin which is called TubeBuddy. So this is a free plugin that you can use. It helps me with my keyword research and targeting knowing if I should target a certain key phrase or not. And you know, what it tells me is it gives me an idea of the search volume, the searches per month, and the competition, and an overall score of whether it would be advantageous for me to target this particular key phrase. Now, there will be a link in the description. You can go ahead and get this Chrome extension as well. It's free, but it plays a big role. It does a lot of things, and it really saves some time as well. And so I just kind of want to talk about it really quick because it's right here on the screen. So if you do this, we click on view the details, you can see the different tags that these videos are using. So you can copy the tags, all of that good stuff. All right. But now that we've gotten that out of the way, because obviously you don't have this on your screen unless you already know about this. All right. So now that we searched up some how-to content, you want to pay attention to the first 3 to 4 videos. All right. There's a reason why YouTube has these ranked, because they're giving the viewer what it is that they're asking for. So you want to watch all of these videos. And what you're going to do is after you watch them, you're going to recreate your own version of these videos and actually make it better. Okay. And add your unique twist to it as well. You don't want to copy something word for word, but the information is going to be relatively the same. You just want to take out the best elements of each video when you're recreating your own video or your own version of it as well, and adding your own branding and style to it. All right. And once you've done that, you want to come down here onto this video right here. And these are particular things you want to take notice of as well. The title of the video. So as you can see, this has the keyword that we typed in as well. How to build a sales funnel, how to create a sales funnel. Build and create are the same thing, and YouTube knows that as well. So you want to model, not only model the video as well, but you want to model the title and also the description content. Now this part right here doesn't have a lot in the description, actually, you know, speaking on the video. But what I typically like to do is give a brief outline or a description of what this video is about and some of the different things that I highlight, which is usually a few sentences long, maybe even a paragraph long. And so after you've done that, you want to also pay attention to the link placement for things as well. So if they have an affiliate link for a particular product that they're promoting, where are they placing it inside of their description area? And so this has a lot of different links. There's a lot of different affiliate links as well. And so you just kind of want to get a gauge of, you know, what's working for them. And kind of modeling what's working for them. Now, if you take a look right here, I'll move this out the way really quick. If you see right here on this side right here, this is the Videolytics from TubeBuddy. It gives you a lot of information. You want to pay attention to these tags as well, the tags that they're using for the video. And if you know, because you want to add these particular tags to your video as well once you've actually uploaded it. And so you can actually copy these tags right here and save them so that you can use them when you are uploading your video as well. And so this is some of the cool things that you can do with TubeBuddy. But once you've actually downloaded it, you can see all the different features that it has that you can use for your videos. All right, but that's what you want to do. You want to go through all of these. So what we'll do is we'll check out one more. We'll go to this gentleman right here, and we'll take a look at his video as well.
Live marketing,
Let's pause that. All right, and so with him, what he has done differently, he's added a hashtag right here. So if you add a hashtag somewhere in your description, it'll pop up in this area. So that might be something you want to consider. You want to take a look at his title of his video, Sales Funnels for Beginners. So how to build a sales funnel. So he's got 2 key phrases in here that he's targeting, because people will type in sales funnel for beginners in the search bar. So you can maybe do something like that for your video as well. But the whole purpose of this is to really, you know, see what's working for the top people in that search result. And then you want to model it. So you're gonna watch the video, you're gonna model the video as well. You're gonna take a look at the description. Here's his description of his video. Model this as well. And then he has a contact us link right here. So maybe this is a potential area for you to put your affiliate link right up top of here. So you just want to go through all of this and figure out what is really working for this video, and then pay attention to the different tags that are being used as well. And that's really it. Now, once you've done that, the biggest thing in your video is to make sure that you have a call to action. Make sure that somewhere in your video that you are telling the viewer to do a specific action, which is to click the link in the description to learn more about ClickFunnels, or to sign up for your 14-day free trial, something like that. Once you watch enough of these videos, you'll be able to point out the call to actions and model those call to actions for your particular video as well. All right, that's how you actually do affiliate marketing on YouTube. It's really that simple. Now, if you want to learn how to make high ticket commissions earning you $1,000 or more per sale, then click the link that's in the description, where you'll learn how to do that and so much more. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. And again, I'm Mike Garvey, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.